Okay.
Oreo.
So first, you gotta take this side out, and then this side right here. And then we're gonna take out these Torx bits on both sides. Grab your biggest ratchet you have. Get a little extension on there. There should be a 19 that I don't have. Let me grab one. Okay. You can't be following with me like that. Yeah, let's go. Alright. Okay, alright. We got our 19 mil, little extension on a 1/4 inch ratchet. A little tip, lock your steering wheel. And now, loosen it. This part. You don't want to put this nut on it, just a little bit. And then, who knows how long the steering wheel's been on it, so. Oh look, it came off. So you gotta shake, you gotta really shake it. So after you shook the steering wheel, take it off. You don't wanna unlock it. Make your steering wheel straight again to where it was before. Should be good right there. There's more connectors on the back of this. Alright, so these yellow and green wires for the SRS, what we do, we just cut them. So, there you go. Now this is disconnected the easy way. So we got our quick release on our short hub. So make sure you align the steering wheel correctly. So first, we'll put this on. Get your 19 mil again. Go ahead and tighten it down. I'll say go to a point where the steering wheel locks again. It looks like it might break, but it won't break. So after we got that, it's time to put on the actual quick release. Take that off, just get this part. So we only have 3 bolts for this and 3 bolts for the actual quick release steering wheel, but it'll be fine. And then quick release on it. Alright, so we got the steering wheel in. Only 3 bolts, which is fine. But now with this one, you just got to take it off because of the chrome. So we got the steering wheel. Now we're gonna do the shift knob, the DC Sports shift knob.